So here recently, Starlink sent an email out to me offering me a second dish to be able to have as a portable unit in addition to the one that I've got permanently fixed on my roof here at the house. I thought this was kind of a perfect opportunity for me to go ahead and jump on this offer because with us doing a lot of camping, the Starlink Mini is going to come in handy for a lot of situations throughout the year. So in my search for different ways that I can run this unit and what kind of accessories are available for this portable option, I come across a few different things. And this little real-time monitor here made by Stargear was something that really stood out to me and I was somewhat intrigued by it. Now I did reach out to Stargear to see if they'd be willing to send this little unit out to me. They were gracious enough to do so. So I wanted to go ahead and make this video just to show you how this thing works and then give you a scenario where this might come in handy for you. So when you get this little adapter out of the box, it basically plugs right into the back of your Starlink dish, just like your cord would. And essentially you just plug that in line, whether it be the power cord that came with your Starlink Mini, or if you've got an adapter like I've got right here, and you can plug that in line and it kind of gives you a real-time monitor as to what the voltage is, the amperage, and the watts. Now, why might that be important? Well, if you're plugged into like grid power and you're just plugging into a 110 outlet, this may not be something that you really need to have because your power is going to be more than enough. However, if you're running one of these little adapters like this, because this doesn't have a low voltage cutoff on the battery itself that comes with the tool, this little real-time monitor here is a great way to monitor the voltage to make sure we're not over discharging your battery in this situation. So I really thought this was a cool gizmo that Stargear's come up with to be able to do so, to kind of keep from destroying one of your little drill batteries if you're using a setup like this. But just keep in mind, no matter what you're using, even if it's like one of these little portable power stations nowadays, you can plug this little real-time monitor in on your Starlink and be able to monitor real-time stats as to how many watts your dish is drawing. You can do some quick math and look at the batteries that you're running and see just about how long you can expect for that battery to run on one charge with this just a Starlink Mini running. But nonetheless, this is the little real-time monitor by Stargear that they've come out with. I think this is a pretty handy little accessory, especially if you're running something like this for your battery, and just be able to monitor the health of the battery and make sure you're not over discharging your power source. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this one. We'll catch you guys on the next video.